Mark, a tragic story here. That teenager Riley Settergren died in a Hancock County crash. Eastern Hancock Schools announced the loss on its Facebook page this afternoon, inviting students to come to the high school where counselors will be available. Now, we've also learned 2 other students were hurt. These pictures here just coming into the RTV6 newsroom tonight showing the scene of the crash where this young boy, Riley, passed away. Now, we have a crew at the scene, but so far we do know farm equipment and a pickup truck were involved in the wreck. You saw that farm equipment there. But the location of this wreck was at County Road 900 North and County Road 750 East. Again, no doubt this loss will be a difficult way to start the school year for everyone, scheduled for Wednesday, August 2nd. Again, counselors will be available today at Eastern Hancock High School, and the student, Riley Settergren, has died after this tragic crash. I'm Beth Vaughn. That's the latest from the Live Desk.